Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Bayelsa State Governor Senator Douye Diri'S says his administration is exploring every means to ensure that the new NIGER master plan comes to fruition. The governor stated this through his deputy, Senator Lawrence Erujakpo, last week while hosting members of the Nigerian Institute of Town Planners who were at the government house in NIGER. According to the governor, his administration is leaving no stone unturned towards ensuring that the capital city is developed to global standards.
Speaking on behalf of the delegation, NITP's national president Douye said the association is well impressed by the development strides initiated by the governor.
We have watched keenly that since you assumed office, you have embarked on various initiatives aimed at promoting development and improving the welfare of the people. We call on you to.
In his response, the Bayelsa State Deputy Governor, Senator Lawrence Erujakpo, on behalf of the governor, appreciated the leadership of NITP for the visit, emphasizing that proper planning of NIGER remains a top priority.
We have chosen and deliberately made planning in NIGER a top priority going forward. So the area we have declared as a planning area, you need to know that we already have a place on the new university, for which a city development authority was created purposely, deliberately, and consciously.
Senator Erujakpo further noted that their administration will do its best to support NITP where necessary. He invited to a partnership and asked them to make meaningful suggestions that will move the state forward.
Inside the Niger Delta,